Welcome, hardware enthusiasts. Today, let's delve into the world of hardware handles, the unsung heroes that elevate our daily experiences. Have you ever considered the impact of your door handle? It's not just a touch point. It's a style statement that sets the tone for any room. Drawers, the hidden gems of furniture. Transform them into smoothly gliding wonders with quality hardware handles that inject personality into every piece. Cabinet handles do more than organize. They add sophistication to your kitchen. Turn it into a design haven that reflects your unique personality. Wardrobe doors are the entrance to your style haven. Make a statement with hardware handles that match your closet's personality, modern, antique, or whimsical. Customization is key. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all and embrace hardware handles that are as unique as you are. Looking for top-notch hardware handle suppliers? Connect with Bounty Swift for insights and unique pieces that make a big impact. Craftsmanship, creativity, and a touch of personality in every handle. That's the Bounty Swift promise. Let's turn your vision into reality.